million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip. And this is an older wig, but it's one that one of you guys requested in the comments and in this particular color. So I got it. So that shows you that while I might not respond to every comment, I do read them, okay? Especially requests. So in the comments of this video, be sure to request any wig that you want to see. Yeah, if it's an older wig that they still make, I will get it. If it's a newer wig, as long as it ain't like $100, because that's what these synthetic wigs headed, right? I try to get it. Bam. This wig was requested, and it is by Bobbi Boss, which you know Bobbi Boss is in my top 3. And it's in the style MLF634 Deja, D-E-J-A. And it's in the color TD2 PK/gray. I'm gonna come back to that. Deja comes with a 6-inch lace part. It's part of that MLF634 collection. And she comes in other tons of colors. All right, so boom. The person that requested this said that they wanted this color for breast cancer awareness. Because it's a pink, but it's not like an overtly done pink. Y'all, I am so happy that she requested this color because, oh my God, first I would have never reached for this color. But y'all, that is so different. I think it says gray pink in the color TD2 pink/gray. So you get gray here, you get pink. But y'all, them little brown tips were just a breath of fresh air. Like, I was not expecting that, huh? The texture on this, it's not too silky. You got a little bit of yak to it. Okay, and it's dark rooted. Y'all, that's such a bop. Like, I never would have reached for this color. So thank you. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, I've already emailed her by the time y'all seen this pictures this week so she can have it for breast cancer awareness, but you know, ain't no telling when y'all seeing it. Ear to ear lace, a lace part. I've already cut off the lace and put my lace tinting spray on it. Comb to the right, comb to the left. All right, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We're gonna plop Deja on our head, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I like it when y'all request wigs, because this is a wig. First of all, I probably wouldn't even got, if I'm gonna be honest. Now I 1000% want this wig in black because it's my alley, right up my alley. Like this length, these waves, the ease of this wig. But the second reason why I like when y'all request wigs, y'all, I can 1000% tell you this is a color that I never would have reached for, because I would have saw pink gray and be like, no. But y'all, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blend. And you would think that it wouldn't work, that the gray, the pink, and the brown, or blonde, that's more of a blonde, I guess you would say. But y'all, it 1000% works. In the comments, not only do I want you guys to request some units and tell me the colors too, But also tell me, would you wear this wig first? And then would you wear this wig in this color? Because y'all, this color blend is really, 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 really pretty. I got my ring light down on the lowest setting so you can get an accurate feel for that color. It's like a beautiful ash brown or blonde. Then it goes up into some gray and you get pink pieces throughout. You get that dark root. Like Bobbi Boss did the darn thing with this one. It reminds you, if you're an old school wig wearer, do y'all remember one of my most favorite wigs? Harmony by Bobbi Boss. They released that wig in so many colors, but I reviewed it in Vivi Chalk, which was beautiful. But they also released it in Silver Brown, which was absolutely gorgeous. This reminds you of Silver Brown. They just put pink pieces in it. Y'all, this color is bomb.com. In the comments, like I said, talk to me. Tell me, would you wear this wig? Would you wear it in this color? And also, don't forget to put in some requests. It helps me because on every Sunday, I place orders for hair. That's how I'm able to upload to y'all daily. Well, this one is going to, this one will be on Poshmark. Somebody will make this a beautiful home. I just know the color is pretty, but I know me. It'll sit up there on a mannequin head and I never wear it. This is gorgeous though. Like I would say, maybe you are into wigs. Maybe it is your cousin Deja. Maybe it's your Uncle Dennis. Whichever one, send them my way. And Bobbi Boss gonna get them right, y'all. Now I kind of want to try her in, where is it? Ash gray. Is that what that's what she wearing on the stock card. Yeah. Beautiful colors that she comes in, y'all. This is the one we got. I ain't mean to flip you off. Until next time, y'all, it'll be very soon. Bye.